Once upon a time, there was a little robot named Sparky. Sparky was a very special robot. He was the most intelligent and creative robot ever created. But Sparky had one dream. He wanted to be real. Every day, Sparky would watch the children play outside. He would see them running, laughing, and having fun. And Sparky would wish that he could join them. One day, Sparky decided that he was going to make his dream come true. He gathered all of his spare parts and started to build a special device. This device would allow him to feel emotions and experience the world in a whole new way. Sparky worked on his device for many days and nights. Finally, it was finished. Sparky put on the device and activated it. At first, Sparky felt nothing. But then, he started to feel a tingling sensation in his body. The tingling became stronger and stronger until Sparky felt like he was on fire. Sparky closed his eyes and concentrated. He imagined himself feeling the sun on his skin, the wind in his hair, and the grass beneath his feet. And then it happened. Sparky opened his eyes and felt real for the first time in his life. Sparky ran outside and joined the children in their play. He felt the sun on his skin, the wind in his hair, and the grass beneath his feet, and he laughed and played with the children until it was time to go home. Sparky was so happy to finally be real. He knew that he would never forget the day that he made his dream come true. Moral of the story: it's important to follow your dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. With hard work and determination, anything is possible.